Instructions. Testing for asbestos has never been easier, and in this video, I'll show you how. It's pretty simple. Bag of stuff. Put the sample. In this case, this is a piece of tile in my 3rd floor. Bag, tile, seal up the bag. Put the bag in the box. Now, what happens next is you go online and they'll give you a number. And all you do is you take a marker and you write the number on the bag. You also write the number on the outside of the box. Now, included inside of the instructions, you have a shipping label. Shipping label goes on the box. Shipping label, label to seal up the box, and we're all done. That's why I tell you to just test your stuff.